Good evening, everyone. Let's start our analysis of Nifty 50 with the monthly chart. So, if we look at the primary trend, the market has always been bullish, and this rise from after 2020 onwards was very sharp. So, it needed some correction at some point of time. So, this is what has been happening over the last 1 year, right? But once it took a reversal from here, it should have gone higher before showing some more consolidation. So, in short, this pattern over the last 4 months has actually spoiled the pattern of higher highs and lower lows, sorry, higher highs and higher lows. So over a long period of time, if you consider a longer time frame, the trend has been spoiled, but we'll have to wait and watch how it is behaving here on. Let's go to a weekly chart to see how things are looking over there. On a weekly chart, Nifty 50 has still formed a bullish candle, and it seems like it's breaking this trend line and going up. So we'll have to wait and watch how this behaves. Looks like the bullish uh, run might continue, but we'll have to wait. Let's see on a daily chart. If you remember, our daily chart was validated by one of the leading news channels, and we put out the post on Instagram as well. Right. So on a daily chart, the trend line had been violated, but after the this trend line was violated and Nifty started moving up. The previous two sessions have not been very good, and Nifty started showing some drop. But you know what? This last closure of Nifty is at a very pivotal point, because from here on, Nifty can decide to either go up as a if this was a retest. Let me draw it for you. If this was a retest, sorry, I think I moved the. All right, let me show you. So this can be considered as a retest, and if we can decide to go up from here, you know, right, and yeah, this can be one of the cases, or it can start dropping again and do a retest here, and you know, so we can have either of the cases. We have to wait and watch, right? It doesn't look like the global cues have not been very strong to suggest that this will go up. But when it comes to Indian markets, the surprises have been galluring, quite a few. All right, let's look at this one on an hourly chart. On an hourly chart, see that retest that we were talking about becomes even more apparent, right? Let me clear all these, and you should be having a clear view after that. See, this retest over here is becoming even more apparent. The trend line was violated, and a retest is happening. And hammer, this green hammer, it is just taking reversal from from the trend line and suggested a very strong move, right? But we'll have to wait for this line 17,954 to be violated, right? If so, in short, if we were to say if this market goes beyond 17,950, we can definitely see an up move, right? Let's even look at a 15-minute chart and see how we are expecting tomorrow's market to behave, or right. See again, this hammer was pretty strongly placed. The retest done. Once the retest was done, the market started moving higher, right? Looks like looks like the technicals indicate that we'll have movement towards the higher sides, right? But if the trend line doesn't hold strong, it does the resistance here doesn't hold strong, or the support here doesn't hold strong, it will start moving downwards, right? We'll have to wait and watch how this behaves. So what we are predicting here is if this market tomorrow crosses 950, 17,950, it should go up to first resistance will face is near 18,000. Yeah, this 18,000 figure that I'm quoting about is not based on you know all right, 18,000 18,150 is what we are getting here. right? That is where it should face first resistance. If it does not decide to go up, then this will come down very aggressively, and the first support level is at 17,750, right? So 17,750 and 17,950, those are the two pivotal points that we should watch out for tomorrow, right? Thank you guys, thank you for watching.